Welcome to my garden. In this video I'm going to sow and prick out seedlings of forget-me-nots. Forget-me-nots flower in spring with lots of tiny blue flowers. The best time to sow them is August-September, but as it was still very warm in October, I took my chances. Fill a tray with multi-purpose potting compost. Forget-me-nots are very easy to grow. They are very hardy and grow almost anywhere. They like moist, well-drained soil in partial shade. Sprinkle the seeds lightly on the soil. Cover with soil and water them. The seeds will germinate in 7 to 14 days. After 5 weeks it is time to prick them out and put them in larger pots. Fill the pots with compost. Gently lift a clump of seedlings. Take out a seedling by lifting them at a leaf. Use a dibber to make a hole and gently put the roots into the hole. It is a job that takes some time, but I find it very calming, almost therapeutic. Most forget-me-nots are biennial, which means that they flower and die in the second year. They have very few pest or disease issues, but do tend to get powdering mildew at the end of their life. So I will remove them when that happens, so that it doesn't spread to other plants. Once the seedlings are all replanted, water them well. I will plant these out in the garden in spring. During winter they will grow slowly, but once the temperatures rise, they will grow quickly and hopefully bloom in spring.